Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to track your order on Wish. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to track your order using the Wish web app. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and navigate to www.wish.com. Click on the sign in button if prompted at the top right corner and log in using your email address, Google or Facebook account. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or your account name at the top right corner of the page. Then, once you're here, you're going to be provided with a drop-down menu, including wish list, shopping cart, order history, daily login bonus, all the way down to log out. Now, select order history. Now, this is going to take you to the order history page. Now, the order history page will display a list of all your past and current orders. I don't have any orders, so it's pretty much empty. Each order will show the product image, order number, and order status. Example, processing, shipped, delivered. You can also find the status in here: in progress, delivered, pickup, refunded, and cancelled. These are the statuses. So look for the order you want to track and click on it. Once you click on a specific order, you'll be taken to the order details page. On this page, you can view the current status of your order: processing, that's in progress, the order is being prepared; shipped, the order has been dispatched and it's on its way; delivered, the order has arrived at location; and even pickup, and refunded and cancelled. You'll find all the statuses using the tabs or in the order details section. If the order has been shipped, there'll be more detailed information available, including the estimated delivery date. If your order has been shipped, you should see a tracking number and a tracking link. Click on the tracking link, which will redirect you to the carrier's website, example, USPS, DHL, or other local shipping services, where you can view the latest updates on your shipment. Alternatively, you can copy the tracking number and paste it into the carrier's website manually to track your package. I'd like you to know that Wish typically provides an estimated delivery date on the order details page. This date is based on the shipping method and your location. Keep checking this page if you're waiting for updates, as the delivery status may change over time. If you notice any issues with your order, like significant delays in correct tracking information, you can contact Wish customer support. To stay updated on your order status, Wish may also send email notifications or app alerts. Ensure your email address and notification settings are enabled to receive updates. This guide covers the process of tracking order on the Wish web app. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.